This car, this is the one that made BB famous, the Rainbow Targa Turbo.
So for this year's Restoration Challenge, we're taking a 1986 Targa. This one has the M491 spec, so we can get that great turbo look with the wide body and the spoiler for a specific reason, and that is we're doing a bit of an homage to the BB Targa Turbo, but we're not doing a turbo. We're going to do something a little different. So BB was a car customizer, just like Galpin, and Rainer Boeckmann started it in 1974, so this is actually its 50th anniversary. And Polaroid came to Rainer Boeckmann, who had built this car, and had them put on this rainbow theme, and that's what kind of made this car really famous. When I saw this brand in Germany, it spoke to me because that's the same stuff that I grew up doing. So this build isn't just about looking in the past. We're getting some inspiration in the past, but we always want to be looking forward. So instead of doing a Targa Turbo, that's been done before, we're actually doing a Targa Hybrid. Our goal with this was to get as much performance out of this engine as we possibly could. Originally the car came with a 3.2, but we knew we needed to do something more than that. So we actually got a 964 block, a 3.6 liter, bored it out, so we got a full 4 liters out of it, and then of course added the Von hybrid system to it. But when things are electrified, you get that instant torque and adds about 150 horsepower. So just like Porsche is now getting into hybrids for the future, so are we on this build. So taking that classic and melding it with the future and hopefully bringing something together that's going to be magic. So of course, with all that horsepower, you've got to be able to control it. So we've got the big brake kit from Brembo that's on there, and we've got a billet 997 GT3 style suspension, along with arms and coilovers to really package it all together. So when it came to the design of the car, again, we didn't just want to copy the gray Polaroid paint theme. We wanted to do our own. And when you've got bright colors against black, it looks amazing. So we actually took a neon rainbow stripe theme and put that against the black. And it really, to me, when I saw it, it popped from across the room. It's taking something that is difficult and making it look easy. And that's what Dave did with this paint job. The interior to some degree is simple but striking, and we wanted to make sure that we really looked at every detail in there as well. So if you look at the tachometer, we even just did like a little rainbow where the red line is. But also then looking a little bit to the past when BB did a TV in a Porsche dash on, I think, the most expensive Porsche ever made at that time, we actually did a screen for the passenger. But really wanted to bring the whole package together as something that looked cohesive and beautiful when you see it driving down the road. So we've really been excited to show the progress of the car at the last couple of events, which have been at our Cars and Coffee. So we've had some pretty big crowds come through, and I've got to say, so far, they've liked it. This is our 4th Restoration Challenge, and we tend to try to push the boundaries a bit, and that's why I'm really proud of this team, because they've built, I think, a truly spectacular car. It looks amazing, it sounds amazing, and it performs beautifully. Yeah, we've taken some chances, but I think they're going to really blend together in a beautiful and cohesive way. And I really can't wait until we bring it out to the Works reunion and show it to the public and then get their reaction. Building these cars, it's hard work, but it's also fun. And we put a lot of love into this car, and I think that's what is contagious. Every restoration challenge we've done has been a custom build, because that's kind of what we do, and that's what we've been known for. This is a project of passion, of love, and the team has really come together, I think, to build a masterpiece.